Ander, Angel, Gedario, Guido.
Isang paalaala sa atin, love is not a feeling, but love is a decision. Love is a commitment.
Kahit saan, kahit kailan.
My heart overflows with joy as I choose you to be my husband. You are my safe place and my home, and my greatest blessing. Through God, everything is the center of our love. I promise to always stand by your side. With everything I am, I will cherish you with all my heart.
Ang nararamdaman.
Aleli, my love, my partner, and after today, my wife. We have worked hard, we have sacrificed, and we have crossed oceans. Together from the Philippines to Qatar and back. Today, before God and our families, I give you my forever.
Dadalhan niya ako ng foods pag may birthday. Mag-e-effort siya, may mga surprises, gala kung saan-saan. Yun yung nasabi ko na, ito yung lalaki na handang gawin yung lahat para sa akin. Talagang, for me, he is the one na talaga.
Anthony and Aleli, this decision of your life is a lifetime decision.
Ng libo-libong buwan, ang kulay ng kalangitan, pangako ko hindi kita iiwan. Pangako yan, at kahit madalas na tayong
We hope and pray that Anthony and Aleli, whatever may happen, trouble comes, storms, tribulations, still, they will remain loving each other, caring for one another, and living happily ever after.
tatanda na tayo.
Tingin ko hindi na-complete yung life ko kung wala siya. So, sa tingin ko, kaya ako masasabing she's the one kasi hindi na ako kumpleto kung wala siya. Siya yung kukumplete sa akin.
Na maghirap tayo, di na
Mahal, mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal kita higit pa sa inaakala mo. I love you.
ikaw pa rin ang
Sa bagong journey natin itong buhay na to, hindi kita papayakin and tayo na talaga forever. Mahal, I love you so much and this is the day we finally waiting for. Mahal na mahal kita. Ito na yun. This is it.
Sana naman ay yung dinaanan ko, dadaanan din niya.
Kailangan tiwala lang sa isa't isa. Tatagal at tatagal kayo. Thank you sa inyong dalawa kasi minsan talaga sila yung tumutulong sa akin. Lalo na pag kailangan ko ng karamay. Mahal na mahal kita, Ate Lely. sana maging matatag at matibay ang inyong pagmamahalan.
Sabi na, wala na masabi sa inyo. God bless.
Kung ano man ang mangyari sa inyo, lumapit lang kayo. Joke. Thank you.
And we danced all night. And we made our escape together. Two fools in love in the morning light.
Be an example. Be a testimony sa mga tao na hindi niniwala sa forever. Anthony, you may now kiss your wife. Palakpakan po natin ang bagong kasalan.